Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. This is a special episode. It's a truck raffle. Yeah, you know, I normally don't cover things like this, but you know, for a truck this special and for the cause that it helps, oh heck yeah, I'm gonna let you guys all know about it. Tickets are 10 each, that's dollars, or 5 for 40. And the drawing will happen in September 2nd of this year, 2024, at 2 p.m., Oregon State Fair. Now, ain't that a heck of a thing? I'm going to be there too, so come on down. And what it does is it benefits vets, paralyzed vets. And you can check this out here for more of the information. It's got all the phone numbers and everything, and if you can't read this on the screen, don't worry about pausing it and copying it down. Look down below. It's going to be down below in the highlighted areas and the notes. And if you can't find it, give me a buzz. Drop a comment. I'll make sure I find out what's going on with that. But now, let's get to the Chevrolet. What you would be wanting to win. Look at that. The color is a beauty. It actually makes me want to crawl inside and go, yeehaw! Only it's not a Charger. But you sure could charge with it. Look at that engine. That is a beauty. Oh, and look at that. Oh, honestly, this puts some of those vehicles out there that I already recorded to shame. I'm sorry to say. Whoa, they even did the upholstery. Beautiful. I don't even see a crack one on that dashboard. And that's a hard thing to come by. It's got plain planks in there, but it is still nice. And well worth it. Can you imagine if you just bought 5 tickets alone? $40? The bragging rights alone for your winning it. Oh yeah, I just showed up to a show once, paid $40 out. I won it. Just make sure if you have another half that they're okay with another car. But this is definitely worth it. Not only is it a beautiful truck that you could either show or, heaven forbid, use for work, unless you're driving to a 9-to-5 job and want to show it off to your office crew. Well, either way, it's well worth it. And if you're one of those people that just say, well, I don't spend nothing unless I can get something for it, here's the something that you can get for it. Take the $40, take it to your tax man. It's a write-off. It's helping vets. And it gives you a chance to win something darn gorgeous. Especially if you love cars. Give it a shot. Find the information down below. This is Willis, signing off.